In the modern organic chemistry laboratory, distillation is a powerful tool, both for the identification and the purification of organic compounds. Distillation is the process of separating components of a mixture based on different boiling points. For example, we need to separate acetone from a mixture of acetic acid, which has the boiling point of 180 degrees Celsius, and acetone, which has the boiling point of 56 degrees Celsius. In this case, the mixture is boiled in the distilling flask. Then the vapor travels